Good morning, everybody. Are you guys awake? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. I knew Friday would get you off. All right, our first person to step up, Mr. Bowden. Let's hear it from Mr. Bowden.
Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to give a little bit of information about the math team. We recently just had our final competition for the school year. Giving some insight, there are 21 students, or 21 schools that participate in Central Maine, and out of those 21 schools, Winslow High School was the 14th in Central Maine, which puts us at 61st in the state of Maine for math competition this year. I'd like to ask anyone who participated in a math meet this year to please stand. So if you participated in a math meet this year, please stand. So these are our math team members this year. We competed at 5 different meets throughout Central Maine. Each meet had 5 individual rounds where they could score points for various mathematical topics. And out of all the students in Central Maine, we had one student who received honors at the most recent meet, and that is 9th grader Lily Gornell, who placed 3rd place for grade 9 in Central Maine math meets. Congratulations, Lily, and to the rest of our competitors. We will be going to the state math meet on April 4th. It will be held in the Civic Center in Augusta. So if you see anybody who has participated on math team, wish them the best of luck as we prepare for our final competition at the state level. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bowden. Could I please have Mrs. Jones and Mrs. Moore?
Good morning. So we have a couple more badges to give away today. We've had 3 students this month earn their $500 through the Maine Career Exploration Badge. We currently have close to 50 of you who will be earning their badges and the $500. So if you are interested and would like to earn $500, come see me or Mrs. Moore and we'll get you all hooked up. So for this month, we have 3 students. One I think is not here, but we have Lacey Suampa, Jacob Owen, and Alana Carreros. Come on down. I'm gonna go with the big check. It's fine. Is Alana here? Oh, there she is. One more thing I wanted to add about the badge is pretty soon the requirements are changing and sophomores can now earn badges. So if you are a sophomore and you want to earn $500, come see one of us. Thank you.
Okay, I know some of you were trying to do quick math there, and I'm not going to ask the math team to solve this, but 50 people, $500 a piece, that's like $25,000 being pumped into Winslow High School directly to you guys. I don't even get a cut of that, so great job, good work. If you are part of the Drama 1 Act, stand, please. Drama 1 Act, stand. Tomorrow, 12:30, Skowhegan High School. Take a road trip. Go to Ken's before, go to Ken's after. But you get to see this wonderful play, Booby Trap, at Skowhegan High School, performed by Winslow High School's very own drama club. So, best of luck to the 1 Act. As you go tomorrow, we'll see you up there. Great job. Alrighty, last time we met in here, we were wishing the cheerleaders best of luck as they go off to state. So cheerleaders, stand for me. Because I'm going to embarrass you again. Cheerleaders, stand up. So, at states, they finished third, which is awesome. It's the best I can remember a group doing at states since I've been here. But more importantly than going third is, they now have an opportunity to represent the state of Maine at New England's. And so next weekend, they're gonna be at New England's in Worcester, Massachusetts. It's a little bit more of a road trip than Skowhegan, but competing and representing the state and our school. So cheerleaders, great job. Best of luck next weekend. Congratulations. We have in the 4 area schools, we have the smallest school population. However, when it comes to the percentage of students that go to the tech center, we have the highest percentage of our student body going to the tech center. And so our students generally do pretty well over there. So I'm going to start off with Student of the Month over there for February. If you could just stand, be recognized by your peers. In information technology, Tristan Samuelson. Tristan, where you at? There you are. Great job, Tristan. And in CTE Academy, Josh Soul. Josh, where you at? Congratulations. So recently, MMTC students did their local Skills USA competition. And if you've never been over there to see that or been to a skills competition, it's like having 100 different things going on at once where people are competing in their skills and showing what they can do, which is awesome. Every year, it seems like Winslow has a lot of students to be recognized. So if I say your award, stand up, wave, get that accolade. If I say you've been a gold medalist, come down, because I want to recognize the gold medalist and kind of explain what their next step is. In audio radio production, Caitlin Mulligan was part of the silver winning team. Caitlin, where are you? Great job. In information technology, Tristan Samuelson got silver. Great job, Tristan. In internet working, Josh Kraus got silver. Great job, Josh. There we go. In job skill demonstration, Winslow took a clean sweep of all the awards. Bronze went to Liam McPherson. Silver went to Seth Bard. Seth, I'm not moving on until you stand up. There we go, Seth Bard. In gold, our first gold medalist went to Megan Mahoney. Megan, if you could come join us down here. In medical terminology, bronze went to our very own Lila Tutel. In criminal justice, bronze went to Riley Grenier. In culinary arts, silver went to Opal Butler. In digital cinema production, part of the gold, let's go to bronze first. Bronze went to Marcus Cat and Kylie Hernandez. And part of the gold winning team for digital cinema production, Davian Costigan. Come on, Davian, you're up. For EMT Basic, part of the gold-winning team, we've already recognized her, but Lila, come on up as part of the gold team. In firefighting, gold went to Louis Dion. In in mobile robotics, you've already heard his name twice, Tristan Samuelson. Come on up. State pin design, gold went to Brianna Giroux. Brianna also was silver medalist in the state t-shirt design as well. Great job. And last but certainly not least, in the area of television video production, bronze went to Marcus Kapp and Davian Costigan. And part of the gold winning team, our very own Davini Rennie. There we go. Now, all of these fine folks will be representing Winslow High School Mid-Main Technical Center at the State Skills USA competition, which is next Friday and Saturday. Just Friday. Friday up in Bangor. And if they win gold there, they get to go on to nationals, which is in Louisville, Atlanta this year. Awesome, awesome. But another big round of applause as they go on to the state competition. Great job and best of luck. Alrighty, now it's time for Student of the Month. Let's hear it for the freshman homeroom teachers. Let's hear it for the freshman homeroom teachers.
Happy Friday, everybody. I would like to present the Freshman Student of the Month. This individual is a good school citizen who excels academically. She puts her all into her learning and has a very positive attitude, both in and out of the classroom. She is active on the basketball and field hockey teams. She led her homeroom in the Winter Carnival and helped the freshman class make a great showing. Student of the Month goes to Isabella Jaguar.
Congratulations, Izzy. Alrighty, let's hear it for the sophomore homeroom teachers.
Max Spicer is an obvious choice to represent the sophomore class as Student of the Month. Max serves as a moral compass in his classes for others to follow. He is a phenomenal student, is quiet and unassuming, and helps others. Max is the only sophomore, besides class officers, that helped with Sadie's and ticket sales. Woohoo, Max! There we go.
Great job, Max. Junior homeroom teachers, let's hear it for them.
for Student of the Month for the junior class. She is a genuine inquisitiveness when it comes to all subject areas. She's involved in numerous activities in and out of school. She truly cares about the well-being of her peers and teachers. She goes above and beyond in academic pursuits, which is indicated by her speaking 4.5 languages.
Congratulations, Juliana. And last but not least, let's hear for the senior homeroom teachers.
This student is conscientious, an industrious worker, and kind to everyone. She is willing to set her own needs aside to be there for a friend in need. In addition to being a good student, she also has an out-of-school job. Her excellent school attendance dates back to kindergarten. In fact, she has only missed 3 days during her high school career. This month's Student of the Month is Brianna Giroux.
Well, I think that is the most we've recognized at an assembly yet this year. Another huge round of applause for everybody that was recognized today. And with that being said, let's head to block 3 and/or lunch.